And now to a story you'll only see here on KRON 4. A man accused of a triple murder now faces one murder charge. This comes after a controversial plea deal was rejected by the court. Now, in an exclusive interview, Alameda County DA Pamela Price tells KRON 4's Hazik Medune that last murder charge is also in jeopardy of being dismissed.
So are you saying it's possible at this point that Delonzo Logwood will not be charged with the remaining murder count in this case?
It is possible that Mr. Logwood will serve no time in this case.
You may recall headlines earlier this year regarding Alameda County District Attorney Pamela Price seeking a plea deal for 2008 triple murder suspect Delonzo Logwood. That plea would have reduced his potential time behind bars from 75 years down to 15 years for a single voluntary manslaughter charge. At the time, Judge Mark McCannon rejected that plea. The DA and the defense sought unsuccessfully to have the judge removed from the case. Since then, that same judge has dismissed 2 of the murder charges against Logwood, who has been behind bars waiting for his day in court since 2015.
And those who practice law in Alameda County know that there was nothing unusual about the plea deal. What we believe people should now understand is that we came into a situation where we recognized there were some serious problems with the case.
DA Price says the problem, the star witness, a convicted felon, previously accepted a plea deal to testify against Logwood in exchange for a reduced prison sentence. However, there was no mechanism in the deal to compel the witness to testify. So, when he was released from jail, he didn't.
The case was charged by Nancy O'Malley.
Criminal defense attorney Paula Canny has been paying close attention to the Logwood case since the new DA took it over.
The agreement with the now recalcitrant witness was done before Pamela Price was the DA, and I'm sure that a lot of different people had input into that. I suppose the lesson is if you're going to get an agreement to compel testimony, you have to craft an agreement that is ultimately enforceable no matter who the elected DA is.
We made the right decision, and unfortunately, because of the delay and now the questions around the other evidence, Mr. Logwood, the best we will do at this point may be less than the 15 years.
Now, officials with the district attorney's office say the judge has moved forward by seating a jury for a trial of 32-year-old Delonzo Logwood, who has maintained his innocence throughout this case. Hazik Medune, KRON.